Sri Guru Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha. Maitreya Muni says, O Vidura, I have explained to you about the Lord's time factor, the importance, the power of time. Now I shall speak to you about Lord Brahma creating this universe. At first, Brahma created 5 negative items. Number 1, nescience, avidya. Number 2, tamisra, frustration. Number 3, moha, illusion. Number 4, Mahāmoha, ownership. I am. Number 5, Tamesra. Number 6, Andhatamesra, means death, process of death or dying. After creating this, Lord Brahma did not feel comfortable. Then he meditated on the Lord to please him. After meditation, he created 4 Kumaras, Sanaka, Sanandan, Sanatan, Sanat Kumar. After creating them, he told them to create, help him create, fill the universe. They disobeyed, did not like, because creation involves these 5 factors of nescience, illusion, ownership, frustration, and death. Sinful. So they did not agree. So Lord Brahma became angry because he thought my children have disobeyed me is a disrespect. So he became angry. So when he became angry, from between the eyebrows, a baby, a child came up, and he started crying aloud. Because he cried, Lord Brahma gave him a name called Rudra. Rudra means crying personality, screaming cry. Then that child asked, where can I live? I want a place to stay. You gave me a name already. So he told that I have created the place already for you to live. That is the heart, the senses, the life air, the 5 material gross elements, earth, water, fire, air, ether, the sun and moon. You can live anywhere you want, or you live everywhere, all of these places, no problem. Then Lord Brahma gave him a wife named Uma and told him to create. So Lord Brahma don't know much, or Lord Shiva don't know, Rudra don't know how to create much, except ghosts and devils and pisachas and all the yakshas, very hobgoblins, ferocious people. He started creating, so Lord Brahma, wow! He was shocked and said, oh, this is not a good creation. So Lord Brahma told Rudra, stop creation. Then Rudra asked, what should I do? Then he says, tapasaiva param jyotir bhagavantam adhokhyajam sarvabhuta guhavasam anjasa bindate puman. Anybody who performs tapasya, pleasing to please the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Hari, he easily receives his benedictions, blessings. Maitreya Muni says, O Vidura, as Lord Shiva heard this from Lord Brahma, he immediately went to perform tapasya. So Lord Shiva performs tapasya even today. Lord Brahma already had received the power potency from the Supreme Lord, from his own austerities to create. So he created 10 sons at once. After creating Lord Shiva, he created 10 sons. They are Atri, Marichi, Angira, Pulatsa, Pulaha, Kratu, Bhrugu, Vasishta, Dakya, and Narada. 10 people. Now, Vidur Maharaj wondered, how did he create? From one place or from different places? So Maitreya Muni says, Narada was created from his heart. Dakya was created from his thumb. Vasishta was created from his life air, breathing. Bhrugu was created from his skin. Kratu was created from his hand. Pulaha was created from his navel. Pulatse was created from his ear. Angira was created from his mouth. Atri was created from his eyes. Marichi was created from his mind. In this way, 10 sons were created. After this, from his nipples, Dharma, religion personified, appeared. From his back, Adharma, irreligious deeds. Irreligion, sin personified, appeared. From his heart, lust personified, Kamadev appeared. From his eyebrows, anger appeared. From his lips, greed appeared. From his sound vibration, Saraswati appeared. From his organ of generation, ocean appeared. From his rectum, Nirriti, the deity of sin, appeared. From the shadow of him, from his physical shadow, Kardama Prajapati, Kardama Rishi appeared. One day, Lord Brahma saw his daughter Saraswati. She was very beautiful. So he became infatuated, attracted. He ran after her, seeing this, all these 10 people whom he created, Atri, Marichi and all that. They stopped Lord Brahma and talked to him the law of religion, because religion appeared from his nipples. Lord Brahma became ashamed and put his head down and thought of destroying himself. So he destroyed his physical body, because thinking is filled with sin, because of infatuation, desire with his daughter. Nowadays, we don't know what is happening. When he gave up his body, from his departed body, the fog appeared which covers the world. dark fog, mist like that. Then Lord Brahma performed tapasya, austerity again, and obtained another physical body, and then wanted to create. As he was thinking to create, 4 Vedas appeared from him. 4 Vedas. Hearing this, Vidur Maharaj asked, "Hey Swāmī, O Gurudeva, can you please tell me what order these Vedas appeared in all these religious scriptures? Can you please tell me?" So Maitreya Muni replies, "From the eastern mouth, Rigveda appeared. From southern mouth, Yajurveda appeared. From western mouth, Samaveda appeared. From northern mouth, Atharvaveda appeared. And then from eastern mouth, Ayurveda, science of medicine, herbal science, appeared. Then similarly, the singing or military science and science of architecture, they appeared. All itihasas and puranas also appeared, which are considered to be 5th Veda, he said. Then he says, Vidya danam tapas satyam dharmasyeti padani cha asramam sa yatha sankhyam asrujat sa vrittibhi. Hey Vidur, these 4 charanas, 4 legs, Vidya, tapas, saucham, satyam, all that, but there is dhanam. Now these 4 activities are for 4 ashramas, he told. Ashramas also came from him, as we had discussed previously. Vidya, studying education, is for brahmacharis. Dhanam, for grihasthas, householders, they should give charity. Their main activity is to give charity. Tapasya is for retired people, vanaprasthis. And Satya Sanatana Dharma Prachar, preaching, is for sannyasis, Swāmīs. As he had given up his sinful body for being infatuated with his daughter and adopted another body by the blessings of the Supreme Lord, thought, I'm trying my best to create and fill this creation, and still I'm not successful. I perform so much of austerities and so many things I have done and trying my best to follow the order of the Lord to create, and I'm not being successful. There is somebody who is blocking my work, he thought. As he was thinking, his body was divided into 2 parts. Body was divided into 2 parts. Right side, a male form came, and left side, a female form came. Male form had beard and mustache, and female form had raised up breast. Looked beautiful. These 2. So when female was seen by male, he became attracted. So Brahma became very happy. The female saw the male, she became attracted. Brahma became happy seeing them, and he gave them marriage. He married them both. Now remember, they appeared from Lord Brahma's body when he divided by 2 pieces. They were not brothers and sisters. So, brother and sister cannot marry. as per Vedic civilization. So these male and female were married and given them name as Manu to the man and Satarupa to woman, because she was so attractive, very attractive. Satarupa means 100 times more attractive than the most attractive on this earth. Manu means he had beard and mustache and looked like a man, that's why it's called Manu. His name was Swāyambhuva Manu, the first Manu. By copulation, these men and women, because they married husband and wife, by copulation they produced children. There were 5 children born, 2 sons and 3 daughters. 2 sons were Priyabrata and Uttanapad. 3 daughters were Devhuti, Akuti and Prasuti. Akuti, Devhuti, Prasuti. Elder was Akuti. Manu Maharaj married his first daughter Akuti to Ruchi Prajapati. The second daughter Devhuti he married to Kardama Prajapati. Third daughter Prasuti he married to Daksha Prajapati. In this way, these three couples filled the whole creation. That we will discuss next. Thank you very much.